Brent Zimmerman here with Midlands Home Inspections, performing a home inspection out here in Gretna today. Newer construction, 5-year-old home. Went to go shut bedroom door here, and it's rubbing, not fitting square. But as we open things back up, we take a look over here at this hinge at the top here. It's loose. Screws and stuff are pulled out just a little bit, so chances are those holes are probably getting stripped out. People slamming doors and what have you. So we'll definitely recommend getting a handyman to come in here and get that corrected so this door here shuts proper for them. Brent Zimmerman, Midlands Home Inspections. Have a great day.